part one of the Ratchet sisters. Millie J gets beat up. Okay, little sister, you're supposed to be doing something today. We're gonna beat up those mean people that took our stuff, and we're gonna skaboosh them down to the ground and beat them up, and then we're gonna kick them out because you're bad. Come on now, hurry up. Go already, you better go, you little rats.
Rabbit? Who in the world is that?
I don't know. I'm deaf, remember? I don't care who it is. Just get it.
Okay, if you say so.